Hi guys, this is Andy again. Today I'm going to talk about starting your investment. Now, before we go to the sharing, I would like to share with you guys, last week we went to the old folks home. During the Chinese New Year, we went to this old folks home that housed more than 30 old folks there. They are living there happily and healthy, taken care by the caretaker over there. Now, we are reaching out to you for this Yuan old folks home because they need to get a new van so that they can bring these old folks for the medical, for the clinics and etc. So they need to raise a fund for this van. I'm reaching out to you guys. If you guys want to play a part and want to help these old folks, please click on the link on the top right or in the description below and fill out the form, and I'll get in touch with you guys. Now you guys get to know the old folks home in PJ. I hope you guys can play a part and help the elders. Now, coming to starting the investment. Investment, a lot of us, or maybe the majority of us, we are working. Okay, we are under employment, but frankly to say, some of us we are getting salary, and then it's just barely enough. Now, why we need to do investment, why this is so important, is that it creates a passive income. There are a lot of investment out there. It could be stock, it could be mutual funds, it could be property, it could be any types of investment, but sooner or later we have to start somewhere. Now, why I'm saying that you have to do some kind of investment is because even if you put your money in the bank, you are earning the interest of 3% or maybe 4%. This is something that is not even enough to cope with the inflation that has been escalating every single year. But then again, the bare minimum you have to put in fixed deposit, FD, you generating 3% to 4%, even though we know that the inflation is much quicker than the FD, doesn't matter, but at least you're gaining 3 to 4% per annum. But the problem with my friend is that the money, he didn't even try to put in the FD, just put in the savings. Now we're talking about the savings. How much savings that we can get from the bank? We're talking about 0.25. It's not even give you enough return. So these are the things that I want to share with you guys. If you are working and if you are earning salary or maybe a business owner, always leverage and use your money to earn something from there. Now, if you're not the risk taker, by all means, at least put in FD. Now, if you guys have any questions, please leave your comment below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next week.